Yeah, no? Oh, yeah, man. What's up? How you coming on? Yeah, today, June 7. They protest? Save the state. No. My man, you know, no responsible person will get in the street at this time to say they went protest for save the state. Some of us will know the history about protests in this country. No, I'm coming nowhere. No. Where you going?
You know today June 7? See.
Save the state.
Oh.
Let me call you back. Come inside. Come inside. Come inside.
Oh. What happened now? We are going to make sure the president must step down. They suffer too much in the country. The old people, the youth, that why the criminal activities is on the increase. The president must step down. We need change.
What kind of change you want? What kind of change you want? You get it in the street to go protest?
Yo, bro.
For save the state? You listen to yourself? No job, no this, no. Look, let me tell you one thing. If you know what is good for you, don't step outside there.
For what now? We need change. We need to bring change.
Listen to me. There has been no protest free in Labrador. If you think to take president from the seat to come down for another person to go there, that it will be free for people to just join the street. It's not free. No protest have ever been free. And no protest is free from violence. People must die. Oh, you know? The first thing the people who organizing the protest, they will always tell you, say, no problem. In fact, I want right. I want this. What do you want for George Weah to do now? What do you want him to do? Let me take you a bit back. In 1979, there was a race riot that started in this country. That they play all our trouble in this country started. President William Arrow Tubman decided to increase the rice price to $26 because he knew that that's our staple food. So that the Liberians will be able to go on the farm and make their staple food on their farm to bring it. Gabriel Bacchus Matthew got in the street one day, put the people together, and incited so many Liberians that got in the street. The street was packed. Tubman must come down. The rice price high. I was stomach. You see how Liberian people will stupid? We only eat food. We sit down, we drink liquor. That's all we think about. For Red Belly, they came Tubman. Some of them, they started carrying on different things that made the government vex. The government went in. It turned to violence protest. Over 40 persons died. They buried them in mass grave. Where were he Gabriel Bacchus Matthew? He was in the AC. Some of them will be laying.
You don't go there with them?
No! They can be in their AC, either they in the car, they in the house, the same people in the street. They pay you, they give you small money. The rest that they can't do Tubman for, the rest went up to $50 during good time. From $26 to $50. Then Charles Lucky, the first thing he said on BBC that my Liberian people suffering, they must be free. He brought a group in the country called Freedom Fighter. You hear the news here, you won't go for them. We want to see Freedom Fighter. Today what happened? Over 250,000 lives were destroyed in the country, with millions of property being destroyed. We're not supposed to be like this. But we're like that today because of the war. Ellen Johnson said it. What did you get from there? During Charles Luther, who they say, oh, where was $700? You and myself were living in peace in the country. Only people in Monrovia. Ellen Johnson said it. We saw so many people working with Omio, jumping in helicopter, going in place. Some of them making $3,000, $4,000, $7,000, $8,000 US. Today, Omio has left the country. On our job, we are on the time. Those people, as we speak now, they are jobless. They can't make that kind of money again in the government. Then John Weah say, all my ministers, you are making 30,000 or more, 25,000 or more, 50,000 or more. everybody now once the minister, you will not pass 7,500. Now the bad thing they may do. Now the bad thing they may do. Okay. If you take what job we have today, job we have say, yeah, I agree. Who you plan to put there? Just give me the answer. I will go, you will go protest. Who you will put there? Like, oh, I want to know. Who you will put there? Eh?
I don't know who they want to put there.
Oh, you not know? You not even know who organized the protest. You know them? If I see you, getting that speed, you know what I'll do to you.
But they put are spending money behind the thing. They get good half for the country.
Get what?
What they say? Would they want change?
Get what can I? You know who they're spending money, Nana? The people who own the DED status in America. You know they feel there. New skin or they say, Donald Trump say once you not get your document, they're sending you back. Plenty of librarians supposed to come back. They not give them 1 year, right? They want to make sure that they prove their case that Labrador is not stay safe. As we speak now, they're contributing money, seriously, to give it to those wicked politicians are saying in America, to come and give it to people here, to go and get in the street for protest. So that tomorrow, it will be proving that Labrador is not safe, because once they start the protest, and you know they got some rude people, they will want to go loot. George Weah and the government will not be sitting down for you to go loot anybody in the place here, or in the name of peaceful protest. They will put police on you, and when police arrest you, the people planning. Now, when that particular thing start, they must go through riot. They take photo and all the kind of thing and send it off. So, investor will not come again.
So the people, they just putting their money behind it. Then they will go in the street today now. Any noise that will come from there, then they tell the American government, say they play you want to or they play not safe.
They play not safe. So you're not getting investors. Just a few days. Asila Mita, they now employ 1,000 person. They get a job in the country. They get a job.
They employ people.
Yeah.
We don't hear that one.
You can hear it. Small thing they coming in the country, small. So now the people will start running away. Things will start getting hard. University degree will all, BSc, all the kind of things that you get, you will not get no job again with JPC now in the country.
So that thing about talking about Granjide Road, Lofa Road, I know that.
As we speak, they are working on the Mary level. Oh, the Ellen Johnson selling initiative. They're working on the Lofa Road, Dakota. They start the Granjide Road now, Dakota. Most of the ministries, they start working on it. If there's some president with George Weah, they will say, they will not do it. I will not do it. But the man can, the same part, he made the woman on. Now the thing, he's still rolling on.
Then what did George Weah do now?
That the question so ask you. Because you get in the street to go say, let me see your palm. Let me see your palm. You see? You able to go Mayfan? Your children and you born. How many of them you not tell them to go Mayfan? All will depend on where that one that job we are coming be request to go down. To say request at $10. Get in the street. Maybe you will be one of those veterans with that. You say crap. I leave it with you. Get in the street. I leave it with your conscience. Stupid.
Hakuna. Amele go. Well, my man. We going. Ain't you betraying you, can? Oh, play the white t-shirt. They want you eat jacket. You want to get clothes. You eat jacket. You see that here. You want to get clothes more now.
I wanted to ask you one question before we go. I want to join you.
Your question time.
Okay, I want to ask you. The people will go in the street. The people that organize the thing. They coming, they will be there. That one.
I know.
No, because my brother myself was talking Jenna. My brother told me plenty of things. How the people in the city in their helping horses. They organize the thing. In fact, the thing we say we're going safe like bro. You myself, we say we're going safe. Me that the war safe. Say like yeah. I even know. I just saw the thing on Facebook. Say we must go say that why I'm going there. But the thing get plenty things behind. They get plenty from people all want use the same mean to break people's sharpness, to steal some things from people. All the things that behind the thing that why they are waiting. And he also said, Jenna, you were telling me, Jenna. He said when people start doing that thing, the government will not stand up. Police will come. He said the same thing happened way back.
Wait. The people talking about Boston shower that will save the country. Besides, The people now are sending out to go save the country. I don't know play the air, and I don't want to play the air. But so now someone go save the country, we'll go save the country. And they in America, they in Japan, they in China, anywhere they are. Once they say that to save Liberia, man, let's save Liberia.
Say it yourself. But the thing that you put behind and I tell you, they're not trying to say Liberia, they're not talking. So the people get a thing they call innovative.
This thing will be safe. They put say they will leave in America, then we are in Liberia, almost save the state.
And I see thing, my brother was telling me, Jenna, he thought I was way back. I don't know what thing is in 1970 watching some people that back up my few times. Now what he say?
And then when they said they were saving the state for rest.
Oh, you know?
Well, today, moreover dark.
Yo.
And they see country, they were saving today, all our aluminum pole in life is street. Moreover, we are having all refinery where FPRC, the place showing my finger air. What play our refinery air now? It going in different country. Hey man, country had you were feeling first. Oh, the boss of flying Korea, when anything can get Japan Lanton. That they since they were saving you.
No.
So the whole service state here, the way I look at it, that Babi said, if I come to see him, maybe I will learn more things from Babi because I don't think when our part and learn first, they damage la door for all today. We the generation and we let living in swallow darkness. We are poor for darkness.
But you know something, you know someone as well. Huh? And I'm going to tell you. Thank you for bringing order for me, yeah.
So they going to share self on
But well, our parents doing the screen, they say I'm not a safe state. La bro, you not be safe, you not be safe. You not be safe, you not be safe. Oh yeah. Oh, we won't be safe when Jamaica you'll be safe. Maybe God send Jesus, you'll be safe. Oh, so that job we have one will save the state when our mind and develop. Now people, let me tell you, yeah, let me tell all myself that the day our mind develop, the country it will develop.